Hi, this is Mike from Corsair, and today I'm going to talk about cable management. One of the things to consider is your power supply. Our AX series fully modular power supplies make it easy to organize your cables and reduce cable bulk later in the build. This means you only have to use the cables you need to power your system. A simple way to start planning your cable routing is to work backwards by plugging them into your components first. Once you've got the cables connected, route them to the back of the case using the closest cable grommets. Now that your cables are routed to the back of the case, connect them to their respective port on the PSU. Now you can begin securing your cables with zip ties. To keep them organized, tie the cables in bundles, hiding smaller groups of cables behind larger ones. And there you have it, a system that looks so good, you won't want to hide the back. For more information on our modular power supplies or premium cable kits, check out Corsair.com. Thanks for watching.